nhớ rồi trong phong như thế rong share tại tao nói thế đã tôi được kể cái đó nữa. Welcome everyone to our more class again. I hope you enjoy our last lesson, right? Today we're going to learn some new thing. We're going to learn all the body part, okay? Nó bé cái mình chỉ cho hỏi thì bé lúc chị nó nó xíu có ý thì cho không nhóc lúc chị nó có tư nó hồi chạy rồi chẳng nữa, okay? Okay, so that's about lúc nào ya the body. Thì lúc chế is the body. Okay? Lúc chế là the body. Lúc này nó tắc hậu. So the head is called tắc hậu. Okay? The eye is called khó mua. Okay, the nose, the ear, on J. That's head, okay, head. On J. That's ear. And con dao. Conju. Okay, and now, tada, neck is tada. Sana, te. Ayan, tao. Okay, kono arms. Jampa. Okay, and the leg. Okay, let's go through this again, alright? So, head, nhà tao hầu, con chữ, con chữ, con dao, con chữ, and that's con mua, con chữ, that's da. Hands, te, arms, jamba, and tao, and legs is te. Okay, like te na, jamba, okay, jamba no. All right, just go back and recap again. Tao hao, that's head. Con chi, con dao, con ju, con mua, da, jamba, te. Okay, and J, that means the legs. All right. So last week, you know how we started. Nhớ rằng. Okay, we say nhớ rằng. Nhớ rằng. Có bùa nhớ rằng. Có bùa nhớ rằng. Có bùa nhớ Jean. Nhớ Jean. Có của nhớ Jean. Are you well? What do you say? I'm not well. Cú. Remember the word chi? Chi is not. Cú chi. Nhớ Jean. Hello, are you well? I'm not well. Nhớ Jean. Có của nhớ Jean. Có của nhớ Jean. Cú chỉ nhớ Jean. Cú chỉ nhớ Jean. I'm not well. Có mua mò lỏ. Có mua mò lỏ. When you said cú chỉ nhớ Jean and có mua mò lỏ, are you sick? This is high. This one. Có của nhớ Jean. Are you well? Cú chỉ nhớ Jean. Remember the word chỉ here? I'm not well. Có mua mò lỏ. Are you sick? Are you sick? Right. And you remember last lesson, I asked you to go and do a bit of homework for me? Like, cú mò. I like, cú mò. I'm sick, but where? Cú mò. In Hmong, it's very, very simple. You say, cú mò to hao. Cú mò to hao. That means I have a headache. Or I have a headache. Cú mò tê. It's that my hands hurt. Cú mò. What's that? Chapa. I have a sore throat. Or my throat is ache. Like I have a sore throat. Okay? So this is your homework for last week. Just recap up again. Có hào. Có mua. Có chữ. Bon chi. Con dao. Cha đa. Tề. Cha ba. Tờ. Chê. That's cough. That's nong. Cú nong. 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 Cough. Cú nong. Là cú nong. Cú mò chapa. My throat, it's aching, or I have a sore throat. Okay? So we'll do this again, right? We're just gonna go back to our lesson now. This is just our small introduction that we're doing now about our body. Now, go back to this week will be the last week that we were learning about the single letter, right? Next lesson, we will be doing the double letter. And I'm just going to do a review this week. Now, let's go back again. Do, 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 de, for, fu, ho, how, go, go, lo, lia, mo, mi, no, nung, po, pa, o, ka, that's flock, okay? Do, deer, sho, sha, to, tu, it's a buffalo, or could be to, tao, tao, it's a pumpkin, okay? Wa, va, it's like a garden, or it could be like the Van clan. So, sao, it's a Hmong necklace, or if it's a word, then it's like lock. It's like lock, like the door is locked. Yo, yong, it's a fly, yong. Yo, yong, or we say yo, yi, it's like number 8. Zhao is veggie, or zhao, ja is a dragon. So, do, for, ho, go, lo, mo, no, po, o, do, sho, to, wa, so, yo, jo. Okay, that concludes our 7 single Hmong alphabet. Okay, cho nên cho cậu xa từ nàn tờ sĩ ta. Giờ lửa thịt lửa lũ lì bìa giờ bây giờ cậu cho nên nói cho all thùng dìm một số là. Okay, so this week will be our last week for this single letter. Now, last week I said to you that I'm going to introduce another tone letter for you today. And our new tone letter is the sky tone. This one. In Hmong we call ji, du. Du means sky, or heaven or sky, up in there, du. So all the word that is ending with this J in English, but in Hmong we call ji, du, okay? Before we go there, to remember our vowel, we have 13 vowels over here. And over here are the vowel that it's a neutral vowel, that we haven't put any tone letter in yet. And today, I'm going to go back and see whether you still remember, right? Our A, E, I, O, U, U, I, O, O, yeah, on, or. Okay? So, let me fix this one first. So today we are going to learn the Jindu. Right? Now, see if I can find you the Jindu vowel. All right. Last week we learned about the Jin, the people tone, right? Like A, E, I, O, U, I, O, ong. All the vowel that is ending with G, ning, like the. Now, this week we are learning about the sky tongue. Okay. And you put a sky to the G, Jindu, then become Remember? And this is how do we do it's like you sort of your hands go like that. Right. Remember the high tone. This one. And the other one. And okay. So A, E, O, U, I, ear, ow, wa, on. Now, can't you hear the tone? They're the same. The locking into the same tone. A, E, O, U, I, ear, ow, wa, on. I know it takes a while to get used to the sound. So today I'm going to pick up the O sound, the O and the sky tone. So I'll put the O in here plus this R, J. That become, what sound is that make? You don't remember? That become the sound O. Okay. That become the O sound. Can you think of a word that had the O sound? Come on, we have been learning. This is must be our 8th lesson, 9th lesson. You have to know an O sound. If I'm going to choose only the letters from here, and I'm going to add into the O sound, which one should I choose? Let's see, I'm going to choose the first one. This one is jaw, isn't it? Jaw, ju, jaw. The sound is jaw, jaw, jaw. If I'm going to put jaw and O together, jaw, O. Jaw. Right? Jaw, O, and jaw. Right? Next one. If I'm going to put a law in there, law, O, become law. Jaw, that will take. Law means big. I'm going to choose the no, O. No in here, right? I'm going to put no and O. No, that's mean eat. We know this word. Remember our first lesson? Gu no di. So that gu no di. I eat cucumber. No. I'm going to go. What about go? Go. What's go? Go, that's you. Yes, you. Go. That's you or yours. Another one. What about if I put this is a hard one. What sounds this one make? That's deer, right? Deer. That's me now. Draw means oi. Not draw like last week we learned. If it's like, see, this one, this is draw, it's oi. And last week we learned draw. It means fat. Draw. Draw. That. Draw. It's kind of like draw. Draw. Not draw. Right. This is draw. Okay? Now, what? Okay. So, what will we come up with? We have no, go, law, jaw, and draw. Right? These are some of the common words that we use it every day, right? So, I'm going to write a sentence and see if you can work it out, okay? What does it say? What's that word? Go, jo, gu, mu, no, di. You take me to eat cucumber. See, go, jo, and no, they're the same, isn't it? An sound, no, jo, go. Go cho gu mu no di. Go cho gu mu no di. Go cho gu mu. You take me to wherever. Okay? So go cho. What about log? Go to the log. My dog is big. Go to the what's that say? Go to the log. Go to the G log. See, when you put a G, that become like your dog, it's not big. So your dog must be small, isn't it? Go to the you to me. Okay? And dog. Dog. You're going to pick and mix it in about dog. How are you going to put dog in a sentence? I use oil for cooking. How are you going to say that in Hmong? Let me see here. Gu, she, do. You should be able to read all this by now. Because I only use more the single letter in here. What is this word? That's out, isn't it? Out, it's out, puppy. But you put out, zhao. Gu, shi, do. ghee, yao are used oil to stir fry or to fry veggie. Gu xi zhao gi. A. That's egg. I use oil to fry egg. Gu xi zhao gi. A. Gu xi zhao gi rao. Okay? Draw. Long. So, just to go back, recap on this is an O sound. O as draw. O. Jaw. O. Law. And no. Go. These are the common words in the O sound. So we have no, go, law, jaw, jaw. So what's no? No is eat. Go is you. Law is big. Jaw is take. And jaw is oil. Right? Now I'm going to introduce another sound on the sky tone. Jindu. And this one, I will use the double vowel. Double vowel. Now, let me see. What vowel should I use? So, I have used, I'm going to use this wa sound. Like it's wa, and then with the jindu, the sky tone be wa, wa, wa. What are the words that wa? I'm going to pick up some of the words, the letter that we learned from here too. Wa. I'm going to pick jaw, the first sound. Jaw, wa. Dua. What's dua? You know that. Dua is number 9. Dua. That's correct. Yes, dua. Now, I'm going to pick dua here. I'm going to pick maybe more. More. More is have. More. Have. Oh, now let me see. What other words that I can... I'm going to pick and to here. To. To. Ua. Tua. That means come. Come. Tua. Okay. Maybe I'm going to pick another word. I'm going to pick, maybe I'm going to use the, let me see, the go here. Okay, so that become go, ua. Gua, gua, that means check up. Gua, gua, that means check up. Like, check, you can go to check up. Gua more, I go to check up my health. Okay. So, what word have we come up with? Tua, mua, jua, gua. Maybe another word. I like this word. I'm going to add the, use the z. Become jua. Massage. Massage, like jua. Okay, now let's recap again. That's ua sound, ua. Jua, jua, mua, tua, gua. Let's put that in our list here. Gua, tua, mua, chua, and jour. How do you say if I'm going to, how do you say that in Hmong? I have 9 cucumber. I like to use a cucumber because that's a word that we have learned before. I have 9 cucumber. I is gu, mua, have, gu mua. 9 is chua, lu, di, gu mua, chua, lu, di. See how these two, they're all the what sound together? The only difference is that because of the letter of the first sound. Gu mua, chua, lu, di. Go, tua, gua, mo. Go, tua, gua, mo. You come to check up health, like in with the doctor, you know. Go, tua, gua, mo. Gu. Oh, see whether you can remember that. Gu, nhia, mu, jour. Gu, nhia, mu, jour. I like to go and have my massage. Okay, let's read this again. Gu mua chua lu di, go tua gua mo, gu nhia mu jour. You could say, instead of gu nhia, you say gu nhia. You can say, you know how to say mom? Gu nhia. Gu nhia nhia mu jour. Gu zi. Remember the word zi? Gu zi. Gu zi nhia mu jour. Same thing. Okay? Now, we're just about to run out our time now. So let's go and recap again. We have done our O sound and W sound today with the G. Jidu, a J, right? And next week we will do more of the sky tone, the Jidu. But just before we go, we're just gonna go back to our color that again. See whether you can still remember. Now just see it. Sidu, Sidal, Sisia, Silia, Sida, Sinjua. That's our main color. Sia, that's how we write Sia. Right? And Leah, Sida, Jua, Jua, we have 3 letters together. Okay? See, do. Oh, how do you write do? Do is black. This is how I write do. Okay? Okay, let's read this together. Cú mua y today do. I have one black dog. Or you can say go to missing word. Go to they do. Okay? Or the my black dog. Go to the so on, right? Okay. So go to they do. Go to they do. Or you could say like go to me, more, me. Okay? So, recap the color again. What color do we have here? Do, da, sia, lia, da, jua. Okay. Alright, that's all for today. And just before we go, what do we say? How do you say goodbye? Xin ji đùa thiệt của châu cho nó nọ để tôi cả bà mong cho cô. Thank you. Bé mà xin ji đùa, lý nó.